Hi everyone. Today I will share my honest review on a book called Success. So we have three books in this series. First one is Decoding Success, and second one is Milestone to Success, and third one is the Infinite Potential Unlimited Success. So these three books have a common word: this success. So what is this success? Everyone, I think, wants to be a successful person in his life or in her life. So what is this called success? We never ask ourselves who has given us this meaning of the success. uh, is it that only limited to getting a good package or getting some good objects in our life, like car, maybe a good house or something? So we have never asked ourselves that who has given us this goal. Like maybe is it possible that our parents has given this goal, or might be the society has given us this goal. So we should ask ourselves at least once that is that goal is mine, or is that goal has been given by someone else. Also, is that goal is worth it, for which I am spending my years of my life, since school days, since college days. So is that worth it? I'm running towards a goal. Is that mine, or someone else has given me? So also I was reading this book, so I come across one quote, which is, when your goal is tribal pity, then you will get disappointed very soon. If the goal is right, then goal itself is victory. So here we are reading about that goal is right or not, but we never ask this question to ourselves, that goal is right or wrong. We just ask that, okay, I have to complete this goal and I have to be successful. So let's start reading this book, Decoding Success, or other two as well. So at least we'll get to know that what is this success called. Is that definition of success is mine, right? So also here I have a quote: "Fight so hard, play so hard that the result stop mattering." So which kind of goal it is that fight so hard, play so hard, but result stops mattering? Is that possible that we will not think about the result? No, I think every work we do, we have we want, like, no, I want the success in this goal. I can't think that, okay, result stops mattering. So what is this goal which can allow us to not think on the result, and literally the result stops mattering to us? So I'll just suggest you guys to please read this book, and let's understand this, what is this success called, for which we are running all our life. So first thing that I'll just let you know that where we can find these three books. So these books has been written by Acharya Prashant. So these books, first, it will get available to you on the Acharya Prashant website or app as well. And other two platforms are also there, Flipkart and Amazon. So here I will just suggest you one thing, that you can buy this book at very cheap rate on Acharya Prashant website, and also you can have the ebook access as well in a very minimum price on the Acharya Prashant app and website as well. And also I will just wanted to introduce through Gita session, which is conducted by Acharya Prashant. So he is teaching us the Gita verses one by one in every live classes on the Zoom. So let's connect to the Gita session and understand ourselves, understand the self who is just running towards goals and thinking to be a successful person. So if we are running towards goals and we want to be successful, so let's be a true successful person, right? So thank you. That's it. So let's start reading this books. Thank you.